Morning, Brody. Do tricks. Today is July 15th, 2008, and there's Brody. Smile! Okay, what can you do for tricks besides spin around? Make him do tricks. Okay, Brody, do tricks for us. Oh, alert. Does he still wear his Aloha shirt?
Ready, come. Sit.
Oh, good. Very good, Brody.
Roll.
Is that roll? Oh, terrific. Good for you, Brody. Good for you. Oh. Good dog. How many times does Brody have to go out?
3 times.
Does he, like, is she in a certain area of a puddle pad?
Outside.
Oh, well, not inside the house, so never. He doesn't have accidents.
What if he sees somebody?
Oh, excited.
That's why I walk just now.
And he stays in his cage. That's not hard on his hind legs.
No, he walks around.
Did you see the pet park? Did you go to the pet park in Hawaii Kai?
No, yeah.
Supposed to be nice, huh?
Sit. Roll.
Good, Brody. Good treat. Oh, dance, dance. Brody, dance. Dance, dance. Dance, Brody.
Sit.
Good, good.
Shake. Have it. Okay, bye. Down. Good, down.
Brody.